Hey guys, this is Joey here at Northeast Suspension and Performance in Monroe, Louisiana. We've got two Bronco projects going on right now. Just want to kind of go over what we're about to do with these things. I'm really excited. We've got two Outer Banks. We've got a 2-door and a 4-door. Starting off with this 2-door Bronco, we actually are doing a BDS 3.5-inch lift on this thing. But the main feature that I'm really excited about is we've partnered up with JTX Forged Wheels out of Tyler, Texas. Put some 22x12s on this thing. They are absolutely sick. Custom powder coated, custom center caps. Wrapping those in some Toyo MT tires. Really gonna kind of set this Bronco apart from the rest. It's got a painted top, painted flares. It's gonna be one of those show truck builds that you definitely don't see a lot of, but will definitely turn some heads going down the road. And then moving over to our 4-door Bronco, this is really gonna be our 4-door off-road style Bronco that we're building. We've got a 3.5-inch rough country lift. It's gonna be paired with the Vertex coilovers front and rear. It's gonna be a pretty sweet ride on this one, definitely give it some performance upgrades. We've also got a road armor front bumper, worn winch, the spare tire mount, all the good stuff along with some amp research power steps going on this thing. So even though it's a little bit taller, a little bit more functional to get in, but also not losing that ground clearance because those boards are gonna come up when the drivers are in the vehicle and ready to go. Let's get to these Broncos and show y'all what they're all about.